Hey guys, I am back with another video, and today I have a thunderstorm near our house that we're moving from, and so I decided to show you guys some. Sorry about the movement. Getting to a comfy spot. My sister's running away because she's scared. There's big lightning strike before. Did you guys just see that? That was insane. Lightning bolt. Now this is probably gonna go for 2 minutes or a bit less, or a bit more, not less, because I just recorded a video of this, but I got nothing. This one I do have something, which is good. Very, very good. Sorry about the non-recent uploads. It's very cranky, very loud. Sorry about the non-recent uploads. It's because I haven't well, we've been packing stuff because we're moving, so we've been packing stuff. It's a big tree over there. It's actually nearly 5 meters tall, a bit more. Well, way more than 5 meters tall. It probably doesn't look big to you guys, but it's huge. Not like this tree. This tree's only 3-4 meters high.